Bush light and beans and hot dogs and chicken. Ron campfire cooking. Are you wanting something to eat? Just pull up a seat to Ron's campfire cooking. So hot.